Now we're in. Oh, look at this.
Alright, so now we're in another abandoned house.
Check this out, guys. Look at that.
Hey!
Yeah.
Now this is more like it.
You wouldn't think so.
Yeah.
You would not think so.
Nope. Not here. Not at all. Oh, man.
Wow.
Oh, this is pretty cool. Got a little RCA TV just sitting there.
Just chilling.
So overgrown.
Literally. That was a little challenge getting through here.
Yeah.
Cassette player.
Yep.
Why don't you take a seat?
Yeah, you could actually. Oh wow, look at this. There's a bed in through here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna check that out. This is crazy. This place is so trashed.
That next room, it looks like it floor's caving in.
Yeah.
So just be aware. See it?
Yep.
Oh, you can't see it there.
I'm gonna video these.
2016.
I mean, honestly, this place
Yeah.
isn't gonna be around much longer.
No,
So who cares? I'm just gonna video these names and stuff.
who cares?
I mean, if people wanna come here, like, good luck.
Yeah. Definitely. Good luck.
You should put the blanket on the bed.
$99. That one is $19.99. I know that there's a cook, but well, that doesn't mean it was the owners. It could have been some homeless guys.
Yeah. Oh, there's a newspaper from July 3rd, 1976.
Really?
Yeah. Right here. I'll put it on the edge of the bed.
Nice.
Yeah, put this Easter bunny right in the middle of the bed. Make it look creepy.
Right?
There you go.
Just look at this place.
I know.
Still at the curtains. You look from the outside, you think there's nothing in here.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, I wonder if these drawers still have anything. I mean, we gotta. It's a bicentennial newspaper.
Oh my! This is crazy. There's still stuff in the bathroom.
Are you kidding me? Empty. Oh, definitely. Now you've seen right there. I think unless it was just the floor. Is there a hole in that floor over there?
No.
Look at it. Okay, that's what I thought I seen. So
Yeah, right there. It's kind of covered over.
yeah,
There it is.
I noticed that. I was like, yeah. Just want to let you know, don't fall through it.
Yeah. Well, there's a piece of furniture already going through it right there.
Yes,
It kind of goes around to the kitchen. I don't know if I want to give it a try, but I'm going to anyway.
do it. Well, let's do Q-tips. I'll save you. It's medicine. I'll be there.
Yeah, we gotta get some pictures of the place before we leave.
How you guys can see. There's a chair in the floor.
Yeah, I know.
Not on the floor, in
The
it.
chair is like right, yeah, it's right in the floor. Frozen. There's a bunch of food back here. Washer, dryer back here. Freezer.
Do you see the old phone?
Yeah, I saw that. It was awesome.
Wow, this is really...
Yeah, this is cool.
this is something.
Yeah, look at it.
A little toaster oven. Probably still works. This thing actually looks brand new.
Yeah, it does actually. It looks like they never even used it. That's crazy.
This is crazy. Look how old it is. This stuff is like 2003.
Yep.
What's this? Hope you like awful things for the money. Christmas gifts, happy New Year, Cheryl.
This is crazy. You wouldn't even thought anything was in this place.
No.
There's a refrigerator there if you want to open it.
Oh, you know I'm gonna. Gotta check it out, man.
Oh, no.
They want it all. They don't want just the outside of things. It's just insane. I thought this was a house that was gonna have nothing in it.
I know. This is better than like a lot of the places we get today.
Yeah, no joke. A pig. Thank you. Yeah, there's a lot of dust in here.
Yep. Nobody's been in here for a long time.
No. Wow. It's just like yeah, I think that's food or paint. Yeah, it's food. Oh, I thought those cans lasted forever.
No, they don't.
Apparently not. Ugh. Ready?
Uh-oh. Yeah, that's a freezer though.
Kind of cold in there. I wonder if it's on.
Eh.
No?
Oh yeah, there's water in there.
Wow.
Doesn't smell bad actually. Got lucky for once.
Surprise.
I know.
I don't know if there's upstairs.
Yeah, we gotta look.
I haven't seen a way yet, but
There's another bedroom over there we didn't get. I think we can go this way to get around it. As long as we just don't step right there, we're all good.
yeah, you just have to step where yeah, you can't step too close to it, then you're just gonna go right down in the basement.
Yep, I'm not going down there.
No.
No, there's definitely another bedroom here. This one's pretty creepy. There's not much in it, and the mattress is all messed up. But I'm gonna take a picture. But if there is an upstairs, there's got to be a way to get to it. How are we missing it?
Yeah, actually, from the outside, it kind of does look like there's a second floor. There's a little creepy room. No, on the second floor.
Oh wow, look at this. There's even older stuff up here.
Old skate.
Moody one, October 1950. Yeah, this was like an apartment up there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, as soon as I didn't see the entrance, I'm like, I think it's back there. Unfortunately.
Yeah, look at these Maxwell House coffee things. These are so old.
Oh, yeah, look at this old fridge.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's some good pictures to be had up here. I'm going to take some
Yeah.
pictures when I'm done.
The old school fridge, it doesn't smell. So if you want to, yeah.
It makes me wonder how this floor is even still up.
I have no idea.
I don't know, man. There better not be anybody out there who doesn't call us like real explorers.
Right?
Dude, we've been hitting some of the crazy
Oh, yeah.
places. Oh, we'll cut you over.
Oh my God. Look at this big snake. A snake. Alive. Fur gets away. I don't want to move because it might take off. Look at it. See it?
Nah, let me get over there.
Come here. See?
Oh, yeah. What is this, like a kitchen? Oh, yeah, look at that thing.
Yeah.
Dude, that thing's huge. Don't get too close to it. Who knows? I'm not afraid of snakes, but
No.
I want to get a picture of that thing.
There it goes.
Oh, shit.
Hey, people, he is real.
Yeah.
There he goes.
Yeah, he's looking for a way out.
Yep. He's gonna make it towards us soon.
Yeah.
I don't know how long he's been in here.
I don't know. He's a big boy.
He is big.
Oh, look at that creepy picture on the wall. I
Yeah.
didn't even notice that.
We're busy with a snake.
Yeah.
We'll check out these other rooms. Yeah, well, guys, there was a snake in here, so
Yeah, he's over there in that corner. Out here.
it's definitely. I wanted it to move. I heard something in that room. I'm like, oh, it must be a squirrel. Nope. Could be more in here,
Yeah.
cause we're like sort of deep in the woods.
Yeah. This bathroom is still intact. Which is crazy.
Yeah, this is trashed. These are like whole records.
What is it?
Just like little records, diaries or whatever.
Oh yeah, I saw
Tiny, but it's pretty cool that there was a way in the second. I didn't see no way in.
Yeah. We got a picture of the stove. If I can get it. Alright. Yeah. I feel bad sometimes. I keep the camera running when I'm taking pictures, but
It's
figure this gives people more to see.
Oh yeah. No attic. We're in the attic. Boric acid ointment. Do you see that?
Yeah, I saw it, yeah. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna head down.
Yeah, I think pretty much it.
Yeah. I'm gonna show people what we're dealing with right here. So we get up here, there's this staircase here. If you can see, it's all overgrown. There's no railings left or anything. It's like broken. And the staircase down is like right here. You can barely even see it. And then that's what we're dealing with for out. Alright, everyone.
Oh yeah, look at this. Don't shake too much. That's what we deal with.